In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can put a video in an Instagram instant. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to add a video in Instagram Instance, what you need to do is you first of all need to go to the Google Play Store, and there you want to type search. Right at the top, you want to type into the search bar and you want to type Instagram. When you find Instagram, you want to tap on it like that. And you want to make sure that you're having the latest update. You can see right there that I have an update available. So if you do have an update, you want to now go and update your Instagram. That will give you the instance feature. Then what you can do is you can open up Instagram, and then to go to the instance feature, what you do is you tap the message icon there in the center, and you can see this instance icon right there on the bottom right hand side. You want to tap onto that, and that's now going to open up the Instagram instance. You can see if I put my hand there, that's going to be the video portion. So I've got the back camera on right now. So what you would do to take a video, to take a picture, you would just simply tap like that and we'll upload that picture instantly. Now to take a video, you just need to press and hold on the instance button. For some reason, for me, it's not recording a video when I do that. But to record a video, just long press on the button and then it will upload that instance the moment you release your finger. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.